Hello there, how are you doing? I'm in a toilet.
I've noticed in this bathroom quite a lot of limescale around this tap, so we're going to have a go at that today. And what we're going to use is a bit of this pumice. It's not like pumice that you would use to get rid of your hard skin on your feet. It's a lot softer and it will do a good job of getting rid of that without scratching the chrome. I do very much suspect that because of the thickness of that limescale on there, the chrome will already be a bit damaged underneath, because limescale looks for tiny blemishes, little nucleation points, and then once it gets in there, it kind of expands and gradually damages the underneath. But we'll give this a go anyway. So all I'm going to do is just gently, because the good thing about this is if you run it over the smooth chrome surface, it doesn't scratch it. So we're just going to work away at this. What I'm doing is I'm working down at a bit of an angle to try and get into that limescale. It sounds awful, doesn't it? Can you see how it's kind of wearing on the pumice there? That's because this is soft. So I've been at this for a little bit. Didn't think I'd bore you with all of it, but it's gradually getting a bit better. Right, that's as much as I'm going to do on that today, because I've got the rest of this house to clean. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of citric acid on here and clean this up. There you go. I think you can see that that is an awful lot better than it was before. There's still a little bit of limescale directly underneath here. But other than that, that's not bad. That's damage to the chrome. That's where the limescale's got into it. And there's a few other little bits around here as well. Probably be hard to see on this camera. Well, the whole point is, well, you can see how much that's worn now. The whole point is these pumice stones are really good for getting rid of limescale, especially in awkward little cracks and crevices.
I'll put a link to these in the pinned comment and description so you can check them out for yourself, you know, where I get mine from. Alright, thanks for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Oh, and if you've got anything else to add, by all means, stick it in the comments. Cheerio.